In this video, I'm going to show you how to link drawings in Sierra chart. Now to do this here, as you can see, I've put on some drawings onto this chart over here, and it's just a Euro USD daily chart over here. And now the most important thing here is knowing your number, so the chart number. Now to know this, you want to go either to the top over here where it says the number, or down at the bottom, you can see the number of your chart. So what I'm now going to do is actually link these drawings to a different chart over here, which is going to be chart 13. Okay, so to actually do this, it's super simple. You want to go to the chart, you want to link existing drawings to. So I want to link these to chart 13. I'm going to go to my chart 13, then I'm going to go to chart up top, then I'm going to open chart settings. You could also press F5 to trigger this, and you want to go to chart drawings over here. Now when you go to chart drawings, you'll see it says copy chart drawings from chart numbers. So what you want to do here is simply click in here, and you want to type in the numbers. So I'm just going to go and type in, for example, 7, because that's the chart 7. And if I now click on apply all, there we go. As you can see in the back, I've linked these drawings in between each other. Okay, so I can now go and, for example, make a change over here, and let's just do a different thing. So I'm going to go to tools over here, line, and I'm just going to drag like a line over here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is go back to 13, and as you can see, it's been interlinked. But if I do this over here, so if I go and do another line down here, for example, and if I switch back to number 7, this one is actually not showing the new line I created over here, which means to actually link them in between, I'd have to go to 7 over here and then connect chart 13 to it. Okay, so go to chart settings, chart drawings, and then type in number 13, apply all, and then it's going to interconnect just like this. Okay, so that's how to do this. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.